there was a shepherd boy lived in a village. One day, when he was grazing sheep, he felt bored and decided to play a trick on the villagers. He shouted, "Help! Wolf! Wolf!" The villagers heard his cries and rushed out of the village to help the shepherd boy. When they reached him, they asked, "Where is the wolf?" The shepherd boy laughed loudly. "Ha ha ha ha! I fooled all of you. I was only playing a trick on you." A few days later, the shepherd boy played this trick again. Again he cried, "Help! Help! Wolf! Wolf!" Again the villagers rushed up the hill to help him, and again they found that boy had tricked them. They were very angry with him for being so naughty. Then some time later, a wolf went into the field. The wolf attacked on sheep and then another and another. The shepherd boy ran towards the village shouting, "Help! Help! Wolf! Help somebody!" The villagers heard his cries, but they ignored because they thought it was another trick. They could see the wolf running away and many dead sheep lying on the grass. The moral of this story is, once a liar, always a liar. If you like my video, like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.